Okay, this is the formula that I use to figure out these dosage calculation questions. I always put the order over the have and multiply that by how many milliliters is in the have if that is applicable, and then by the kilograms if applicable. So an example with all of these factors in there would be your order is 200 milligrams per kilogram per day, and that's divided every 8 hours. The what you have on supply is 500 milligrams per 5 milliliters. Your patient's weight is 40 pounds. So first things first is to convert that 40 pounds into kilograms. That's what I did on the right there. And then they're asking for how many milliliters per dose. Remember, anytime that there is a question that has the word divided every 8 hours, make sure that you're taking that into consideration when you're doing your math. Sometimes this will say 200 milligrams per kilogram, and it doesn't say per day. It just says by mouth 3 times a day. So when you do your calculations, you're not doing any additional math. For this one, you are, because you're first finding the daily dose, then you're dividing it up depending on how many hours you're getting it. So if it's divided every 8 hours, you divide it by 3. Divided every 12 hours, you're dividing by 2, etc. So asking how many milliliters per dose, again, using the above formula, I put order over have, 200 over 500, and then that 500 is per 5 mLs, not 500 milligrams per ml. So since that's there, I would multiply that by 5 and multiply by the kilograms. So again, simple, stupid formula to figure it out, as long as you know kind of where to put what. Practice, 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 and you'll be able to fly through these dosage calc exams. So essentially, once you do the 200 over 500 times 5 times the weight of 18.8, it gives you 36.3 milliliters. Remember, that is per day. And so since it's divided into every 8 hours, we're going to divide by 3, and that gives you 12.12 milliliters per dose, because they're asking per dose. Hope that makes sense.